Located in the bustling city of São Paulo, Ibirapuera Park is a must-see for tourists and locals alike. This expansive urban park offers a wide variety of attractions, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. For nature lovers, Ibirapuera Park offers several hiking trails that allow visitors to immerse themselves in its natural beauty. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll or an energetic jog, there are paths suitable for all fitness levels. Ibirapuera Park, one of São Paulo's most iconic attractions, attracts tourists from all over the world. Its vibrant atmosphere and diverse offerings make it an ideal destination for travelers looking to experience the rich culture and beauty of São Paulo. Whether you're looking to relax by the lakeside, check out cultural exhibitions, or simply admire the breathtaking scenery,